Hello everyone.
Hey guys, today we are in Highland Park in the campground. So the place is really beautiful. We choose a spot, like show them at the back. So
We just parked the car.
that's where we're gonna be camping here. So our car is still pretty filled, and we will be setting up our camp in tent. We will be getting some woods, and we will be making barbecue.
Oh, I'm already getting hungry.
But we'll see. So we have different type of spices and different way of making food. But tonight we will be mixing, and we've always been mixing the Pakistani way and the Tunisian way of making food. And tonight we will do
Pakistani
that.
spices are the best.
I mean, you know.
Wah, wah, wah.
But anyhow, we will be setting up everything. We're so excited. We'll be staying here for 2 nights.
And we will keep you guys updated because we are planning to film everything.
Yeah.
Before setting up our campground, we're gonna go grab some woods and then we're gonna show you guys what's up next. On our first night of camping, we prepared our dinner on the fire. We grilled some meat and chicken that we ate with naan bread and added some toppings. I wish there is a way to show you how tasty it was, but nevertheless, we enjoyed it.
Of course, we had to keep some space in our stomach for some s'mores. It cannot be a camping without burning some marshmallows.
This you all is a lifesaver. We highly recommend you buying one of those when you are going camping because this is gonna save you tons of time. You just switch it and it's gonna blow up and then ready to go. Good morning, everyone. Hey babe, what are you up to?
So we're preparing breakfast. We already have some scrambled eggs with cheese over there.
Okay.
Frying the sausage and the one and only Pakistani tea.
The most famous Pakistani tea.
Yeah. Well,
It
we'll
cannot
show you
get
guys
any better.
once it's ready. This looks like just water and tea, but
Yeah. So stay tuned for the strong, amazing, and delicious.
can we enough with it describing the tea? I mean, it's just a tea.
No, it's not. Well, Pakistani tea is not a tea. It's not like ordinary coffee. It's hard
It's
to make
just
her
a
understand.
tea.
No, it's not a tea. Anyway, let's see our camping setup. It's a beautiful morning from Campground. Here is our camp. This crow
You
who is
woke me up
swimming, yeah,
today.
he woke us up. And there was a squirrel too, right?
And you know what I was thinking? Like in my mind, I'm like, if I just wake up, throw Usman's shoes at it, would it go or not? And I just kept on it, like it literally.
You didn't do it though.
No, I didn't do it.
Okay, thank you. We had great time in Highland Park. We hiked to few waterfalls nearby and drove on Cabot Trail. For more details, make sure to watch full video of Cabot Trail. Good morning, everyone. So welcome back to another great day on Highland Park in Cape Breton. We are preparing our breakfast. Breakfast is going to be eggs and vegetables, so it's going to be wonderful. How is it?
Okay. It might not look nice to you guys, but it really tastes so good. It's mixed of vegetables. There's onion, tomato, pepper, all been sauteed and scrambled with some eggs, with some spices, and we eat it with naan, and of course the Pakistani tea. So this was our breakfast in our camping day number 2. So guys, we're just gonna chat with you a little while we're having our breakfast. Today we are leaving. We're done with our camping. We've been camping for 2 nights in Greenwich Beach in Highland Park, Cape Breton. This place is magnificent. It's incredible. It has just amazing views everywhere you walk, you drive. It's on the Cabot Trail, and the campground is really nice. What do you think, Usman? How was the campground?
I loved it. Pros, it's on a beautiful spot. The Cabot Trail is, of course, nearby. There are a lot of hiking tracks. You can go, you can visit. Besides that, it's not too busy. Cons, it's very open. Like we used to camp in Wisconsin, and it was all covered with forest, and you have your own privacy and everything. But luckily, the time that we chose, this time there's no one here. It's empty. So and I think it's great. Other than that, I mean, accessible washrooms. You can clean your dishes. There's a very hot water.
There's
coming
like a
out from the
different
Nile.
spot just for washing dishes, which is really cute. They have also showers, like warm showers and everything. And by Usman meant when it's like it's not private. Like for us, we always love when we are camping. We feel like there's nobody around us, right? Like it's just us in that little forest. And in Wisconsin, US, where we used to live there, all of the campgrounds are kind of like that. It's all bushy. Like you will have your own private campsite, and it's just you and your tent. And here everything is open. And we actually camped in Cavendish Beach, PEI, like 3 months ago.
That was nice too.
It was nice, but same concept, right? Like everything was open. So yeah, I mean, we still enjoyed it. Honestly, it's just amazing. We were able to do a lot of hiking, sightseeing. Just check out our video for the full Cabot Trail hike and lookout points. And yeah, we really enjoyed our
Stay
camping.
tuned for more to come. There are some amazing sceneries are coming in, so
It's
stay
beautiful
tuned.
here. It's really beautiful.